it. And light tends to make it pop. It depends on the angle, the light that is reflected on that particular object. But what I find about wave to be a fascinating phenomenon in art, not just wave. I have this infatuation, really have an infatuation for translucent. You wonder why they're so childish. Why is he so childish? Why does he act like a child? It's a fascinating form of rhetoric because manics recede back. Stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have extreme. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
There's green.
40 hertz. We say a chord consists of 440 hertz. So when you double the 440 hertz, you get 880 hertz. That consists